welcome to all the viewers to the present edition of the channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about simple future tense, the sentences which are in simple future tense into passive voice. Let us see the guidelines as usual. To change a sentence which is in simple future tense into passive voice, we have to do the following. First point, object should be changed as subject. Object. Number 2, will or shall. Will or shall indication of future tense. All of us know very well. We talk a lot. Will for all, shall for only INV. Next is special item. Unique item is be. Be for all the subjects. Fourth item is past participle. We repeated many times. Past participle is an indication of passive voice. Last, by and changed form. Changed form is nothing but passive pronoun. Changed form of subject. So these are all the guidelines to be followed for the change of the sentences which are in simple future tense into passive voice. So now let us see the examples. They will bring it. So first point, change of object as subject. So it will be brought by them is the correct answer. Let us go to second one. India will win the test series. So what India will win? The test series. Object. The test series will be won by India. Let us go to the third example. India will oppose inequality. Already we know very well India is the land of Dharma. So inequality will be opposed by India. She will publish a book. So passive form is a book will be published by her. Nothing but all the guidelines are applied. Let us go to the fifth one. Government will widen this road. So this road is object. So this road will be widened by government. So let us go to the sixth example. He will draw this picture. What he will draw? This picture. This picture will be drawn by him. Let us go to the last example. She will deliver this parcel. This parcel will be delivered by her. Dear viewers, let us do this exercise to check our understanding of voices in simple future tense. So exercise, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Everything based on the guidelines of conversion of sentences into passive voice, which are in simple future tense. First one, this program dash be organized in October. One word is missing. So the correct word is will. Will is missing. Let us go to second example. The district collector will dash invited to honor the champions. The unique word is be. Be is the correct word in the blank. Third sentence, 1,000 saplings will be dash bracket plant this month. So already we have seen many times past participle is an indication of passive form. So in the bracket they are given plant. So correct answer is planted. Let us go to fourth one. 50,000 extra beds dash be arranged to meet the third wave of COVID-19. So missing word is will. Will is the correct answer. Let us go to the fifth one. Outstanding students will dash honored tomorrow. So the missing word is B. B is the correct answer. So last question. Which is a special indicator of simple future tense in passive voice? Special indicator is B. BE is the correct answer. Dear viewers, please check the description box for the notes of this video. Thank you.